Nikon photographers have been waiting months for upgrades on the Nikon Z6 III. With the success of the Z6 II and rising competition from Canon and Sony in the mirrorless camera market, rumors are flying about what features and upgrades we may expect in Nikon's next generation. But don't worry, we'll break down the most recent leaks and rumors about a Nikon Z6 III release. At the core of any new camera release are the sensor and processor, defining image quality capabilities. Rumors indicate the Nikon Z6 III will likely feature an upgraded 33-megapixel sensor, allowing it to directly compete with the existing Sony A7 IV. This implies Nikon must engineer an entirely new sensor to achieve the megapixel jump, while still delivering stunning image quality. The sensor would pair with the Expeed 7 processor for fast readout speeds and excellent high ISO noise reduction. The rumored 33-megapixel sensor and Expeed 7 combo will enable powerful video features for multimedia creators. We can expect to see uncropped 4K video up to 60 FPS for smooth footage and action sequences. Full HD 1080p recording could reach up to 120 FPS or even 180 FPS, opening new high-quality slow-motion capacities. At 180 FPS, creators can achieve 5x slowdown in Full HD for gorgeous artistic effects. Alongside resolution and frame rate gains, there may also be 10-bit internal recording, N-Log shooting for greater dynamic range, HLG HDR, and potentially even ProRes RAW recording. Nikon knows video is crucial, so the Z6 III will surely impress on this front. Nikon might even push resolution higher, with speculated 8K 30 FPS support. Alongside resolution and frame rate gains, expect 10-bit internal recording, N-Log shooting for greater dynamic range, HLG HDR, and potentially even ProRes RAW recording. Autofocus will also see a boost with adopted Z9 tech, including real-time eye-animal vehicle AF. Ergonomics may also see tweaks in a Z6 III, with rumors of a fully articulating rear LCD screen and dual US2 SD card slots. We can reasonably anticipate slight form factor updates too, while maintaining the general shape and weather-sealed magnesium alloy body of the Z6 II. Most other core body specs are likely to remain similar. Given the Z6 II already features 5-axis in-body stabilization, a high-resolution IF and top display, USB-C charging, Bluetooth phone jacks, and an excellent control layout. The Z6 line occupies an advanced amateur tier below Nikon's top-of-the-line Z7 bodies. Nikon seems to have found an excellent market fit with the Z6 II at its $1999 launch price point. So, while the Z6 III will surely pack upgrades warranting a price increase, Nikon is unlikely to push pricing too much higher, given the specific positioning they want for it. The competitive Canon EOS R6 II falls right around $2,500, while the Sony A7 IV lands just under $2,500 currently. Realistically, we can expect a Z6 III launch cost between $2,000 to $2,500. In order to leave ample room above for their even higher megapixel Z7 line that caters more directly to professionals. Yet it still competitively targets serious hobbyists and semi-pro hybrid shooters. This carefully considered pricing strategy positions the Z6 III as an extremely capable device at the intersection of photo and video for advanced amateurs and enthusiasts who still demand robust performance. $2,000 to $2,500 hits the sweet spot blending capability, value, and positioning in Nikon's broader product mix. While nothing is yet confirmed, rumors originally pointed to a late 2022 announcement of the Z6 III, with availability in early 2023. However, recent reports suggest delays in sensor development or production could push the announcement into 2023, with units shipping in late 2023 or even 2024. Some speculators guess Nikon may target aligning availability with the 2024 Olympics or other major 2024 events where pros and photojournalists will desire new gear. But an earlier release seems plausible too, perhaps even by the end of the 2023 holiday season. Overall, it's reasonable to expect the new camera sometime within the next 12-18 months. While Nikon may have been slow to enter the full-frame mirrorless category, they have proven themselves genuine contenders with fantastic options now available. The Z9 stands tall as a top-tier professional-grade release that demonstrates Nikon's prowess translating their legendary DSLR capabilities into mirrorless. The enthusiastic embrace of the retro throwback ZFC also shows both Nikon's understanding of user desire for classic styling and their willingness to cater to niche markets. And a continued evolution of the Z6 line with an upcoming Z6 III model will only solidify Nikon's positioning with a well-rounded series, spanning beginners to experts. The rumors and speculation around the Nikon Z6 III reveal have certainly sparked curiosity. While details remain unconfirmed, early leaks indicate an impressive upgrade, bringing new competitive power.